This is not financial advice. It's not legal advice for entertainment, educational purposes only. Everything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see I'm analyzing that data. But like I tell y'all every day, the data release us is false. I'm gonna give us a false in the other market so they can mess with us psychologically. Listen, if you see what's happening with APE stock, AMC stock, this is just another indication of the manipulation. APE and AMC are both stocks that should be trading at the exact same price because they have the exact same value. So it has nothing to do with the value of the company. The fact is they're supposed to be identical valued securities. But the thing is, these bad actors, these hedgies, these criminals, what they're doing is they're suppressing the price of APE. They're in there every day in the dark pools. They're in there every day. They can't do what they do with the derivatives, what they were doing with AMC, because there's no puts and no calls. But they do have control over the dark pools. We get rid of the dark pools, 90% of the corruption in the market stops. 90% of the corruption in the market stops. So what they're doing, they're in a dark pool buying and selling between each other to push the price down. The market makers are making counterfeit shares and shorting them into the market. Counterfeit shares and shorting them into the market. We all know that there are still people who still have not received their APE shares. Yet these guys find shares every day to short into the market. Every day they find more shares and more shares and more shares. But we all know that there are people who still haven't received their initial APE shares. It's absolutely outrageous. And the thing is, even though they're unable to do derivatives like they do with AMC, they're still in there manipulating the price down. And you know why? They are afraid that APE gets to a price that allows Adam Aaron and AMC to sell those shares and pay off their debt. Okay? That's really the bottom line. That's really what they're trying to avoid. They're trying to avoid AMC paying off their debt. But it doesn't even matter, because the debt that they're so concerned about, it doesn't mature until 2026. And not only that, we have a strong APE army. And this is an international movement that everybody knows about all over the world. You don't think between now and 2026, regardless of if they suppress APE forever, even though I don't believe they can do that, but even if they did try to do that, you don't think Adam Aaron would restructure that debt prior to 2026? You don't think a financial institution would want to be aligned with an army of dedicated retail investors, dedicated, educated individuals? Of course they would. Of course they would. And the thing is, like I say every day, the SEC, the DTCC, CFTC, FINRA, they all know what they're doing. They don't have to look for the corruption. The corruption is there. It's obvious to everybody who opens their eyes. But the thing is, they don't care. And the reason they don't care, because the majority of people being hurt by the inaction is the retail investors and pension funds. And we all know that the SEC business model is to protect the 1% and rob the 99%. That's really the bottom line. But here's the thing. They're running out of liquidity. You see what's going on in the market. So even though they can kick the can down the road, even though they can push APE down, I believe APE is going to squeeze before AMC, especially with that T90 day coming. And that's going to cause them additional issues. Anyway, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff, and tell me what you think about APE and AMC supposed to have the same value, but somehow they're able to push the price of APE down doing criminality every day. Anyway, I appreciate y'all on this journey with me. God bless.